Okay, let's start.
Let's start.
그는 절대 요리하고 있을 리가 없어요. 100%. He can't be cooking.
He can't be cooking. He can't be teacher.
오, 자자. He can't be a teacher.
He can't be a teacher. She
20%.
She might be cooking.
부정문이야. She might not be cooking.
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 자, 요거 한번 테스트 들어갑니다. 1, 2, 3.
What is it? Please.
자, 복습해보자. 다 같이. She might not be cooking.
She might not be cooking.
He can't be a teacher.
It can't be a
He
teacher.
can't be cooking.
It can't be cooking.
Number 1.
He can't be cooking.
He can't be
It
cooking.
can't be cooking.
Number 3.
He can't be a teacher.
He can't be a teacher.
It can't be a teacher.
2.
She might not be cooking. She might not be cooking.
She might not be cooking.
She might not be cooking.
자, 100%. He couldn't be at home.
He couldn't be at home.
can't랑 couldn't 뜻이 같아요. couldn't be at home. 다음. He might not be studying.
He might not be studying.
50%. He may not be studying.
He may not be studying.
같이. He may not be studying.
He may not be studying.
Might not be studying.
He might not be
He
studying.
couldn't be at home.
He couldn't be at
He
home.
couldn't be at home.
Couldn't be at home.
100%야. Number 2.
He couldn't be at home.
Stand up.
He couldn't be at home.
Let's go. He couldn't be at home.
Couldn't be at home.
Number 3.
He might not be studying.
동신 stand up. Go. 같이. He might not be studying.
He might not be studying.
Number 1.
He may not be studying.
No, he may not be studying.
He may not be studying.
He shouldn't be studying.
He should be studying.
80%. He must not be studying.
He must not be studying.
틀림없이 100%. 다음. He can't be studying.
He can't be studying.
다시. He can't be studying.
He can't be
He
studying.
must not be studying.
He must not be studying.
80%. He shouldn't be studying.
He shouldn't be studying.
Number 3.
He shouldn't be studying.
Okay, 다 같이. He shouldn't be studying.
He shouldn't be studying.
Number 2.
Number 2. He can't be studying.
다시.
He can't be studying.
다시.
He couldn't be studying.
No.
He can't be studying.
No.
He can.
다른 거.
He must be studying.
must 대 다 붙여야지 뭐.
Must not.
다른 사람 세 명 일어나.
Must not be studying.
Very good. He must not be studying.
Must not be studying.
Number 1.
He can't be studying.
He can't be studying.
He can't be studying.
Okay. He couldn't be studying.
He couldn't be studying.
Must not be studying.
He must not be
He can't
studying.
be studying.
Can't be studying.
방금 한 거잖아. He might not be in the kitchen.
He might not be in the kitchen.
20%. He might not be a teacher.
He might not be a teacher.
She might not be cooking.
He might not be cooking.
She might not be cooking.
He might not be cooking.
He might not be a teacher.
He might not be a teacher.
He might not be in the kitchen.
He might not be in the kitchen.
Number 2.
He might not be in the kitchen.
다시.
He might not be in the kitchen.
Very good. 다시. He might not be in the kitchen.
Might not be in the kitchen.
Number 1.
He might not be in the kitchen. He might not be.
그는 부엌이 아닐지도
He
몰라요.
might not be a teacher.
He might not be a teacher. Number 3.
He might not be a
다시.
He might not be a cooking.
No.
He might not be cooking.
No.
She might not be cooking.
She might not be cooking.
Might not be cooking.
Okay. Very good. 자.
Ready go?
No.
Right.
네. 자, 여러분 모두 그래서 40포인트. 자, 오늘 배운 문장 큰 소리로 따라서 Let's go.
He can't be cooking.
한 명 안 하면 안 줘. 자, 나. He can. 자, go.
He can't
같이 지금부터 다시 let's go.
She might not be cooking. He couldn't be home. He might not be studying. He may not be studying. He shouldn't be studying. He must not be studying. He can't be studying. He couldn't be studying. He must not be studying. He can't be studying.
He might not be in the kitchen.
He might not be a teacher.
She might not be cooking. 오케이. 오케이. 자, 준비돼. 자, let's go.
He
can't be cooking.
He can't be cooking. He can't be a teacher.
Can't be a touch. He can't be a teacher.
He can't be a teacher. He will be a teacher. She can't be cooking.
No?
He might not be cooking.
Might not be cooking.
He might not. He can't be home.
Very good. He can't be at home.
He can't be at
모두도
home.
되고 can't도 둘 다 돼요. 다음.
He might not be studying.
Might not be studying. 다음.
He may not study.
다 같이.
He
He may not be studying.
may not be studying. He shouldn't be studying.
다 같이. He shouldn't be studying.
He shouldn't be studying. He must not be studying.
다 같이. He must not be studying.
He must not be studying.
Next.
He can't be studying.
He can't be studying.
He can't be studying. He shouldn't. He can't be studying.
Can't be studying.
He can't be studying. He must not be studying.
Must not be studying.
Must not be studying.
He can't be studying.
He can't be studying. He might
Might not be in the kitchen.
might not be in the kitchen. He might
Might not be a teacher.
not be a teacher. She might not be cooking.
Might not be cooking.